Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natea. How you doing? If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today we'll be working with hair from LOSMOEER Hair. They were kind enough to send me over their 12-inch pre-twisted passion twist, and I have it in 12 inches on the color 1B. You do get a crochet hook and some ear ornaments, and that's what the hair is looking like. It is pretty bouncy and they are fluffy, and I love that. And I think you get 12 strands per bundle, right? And I got 9 packs or 9 bundles in mine, and I'm going to be using my crochet hook. The loop on this was easy to open. They are just, it's flexible, it's soft, it's just easy to open. So you guys have seen 1,000,001 crochet tutorial, okay? So this one is not new and I've done it so many times, but you want to insert the crochet hook downwards, open the latch, attach it to the loop of the hair, pull it through, and then pull the end of the hair through that loop. I hope that makes sense to you. Again, you want to put the crochet hook downwards, attach the hair to it, close the latch, then you want to pull the end of the crochet hair through the loop, and you have your knot. Okay, you don't have to do the knot more than once. You know, I did it once and that was perfectly fine. None of them fell out. Again guys, put the crochet hook downwards, and then you pull the hair through the loop, lock it, pull it through, then you pull the end of the hair through the loop, and that's it. Okay, the reason why you want to do it, put the crochet hook downward, is because you want the hair to fall properly. If you put it upwards, then it's gonna be like, in Jamaica we call it cock up, but it's not gonna look right. Okay, so you want it to look right. So yeah, you want to put it downwards. Okay, so for each side you're gonna put it downwards. All right guys, so as I said before, you have seen 1,000,001 crochet here, so I'm just gonna allow you guys to watch the install, and I'll see you guys when it's finished. Okay, see y'all later. Alright guys, so this is the back, and in the back I did put the hair in one finger width apart. So I put my finger down and then I put the hair, install the hair one finger width apart, so you guys can see that. And that's how I always do the back of my hair. Alright, so this is the finished look, and baby, she is gorgeous. I mean, my makeup turned out super awesome today, and it only took me like 10 minutes. I don't know, sometimes when I take long to do my makeup, it don't turn out that great, but this one was pretty good, I must say so myself. Okay, I like it, I love it. So guys, this hair, it's not heavy at all. I must say, it does feel like hair is on your head, right? But it's not heavy, it is pretty lightweight. I love the twists. These passion twists are gorgeous. I love how fluffy they are, and they're so bouncy and they're soft, and I just like everything about them. Okay, I am so pissed that I have to take them out so soon, but you know, a girl gotta work. Okay, so again, I have them in 12 inches, and this is the LOSMOEER pre-twisted passion twist in 12 inches, and I have it in color 1B. I think they have more colors, so you can choose. Okay, so again, this is awesome. I love the hair. It is soft, it is fluffy, it is just nice, it is lightweight. They are super gorgeous. If you like passion twist but you can't be bothered to sit and do it for so long, or you don't want to pay nobody to do them, then you can definitely get these. You can part it anywhere. Look at that, you have so many options, sis. You have options to part it, and it's because of this illusion individual method, right? So when you're crocheting, instead of using cornrows, you just use the individual method and you're good to go. Okay, I did try a few styles, as you guys saw. You guys can let me know in the comment section which style is your favorite, but I was feeling myself, I was feeling the hair, and everything was like, yeah girl, yeah. All right guys, so that is it from me for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and the link to the hair will be in the description box. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link and get you some of this gorgeous pre-twisted passion twist from LOSMOEER hair. Alright guys, that is it from me. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, and don't forget to be the most authentic you. Bye bye.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually